Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to this amazing channel. My good name is Nelita Unscripted. So welcome to this amazing channel. And before we start guys, please like, share and subscribe. So guys, today we are going to harvest some maize guys, you see. So come with me. So guys, look at the view. It's amazing. So there's my mom walking. So we're going to go for the goats. Yeah, I'm just walking guys, just walking guys. The village life, you see. How I was telling you guys, here we plant a lot of maize. You see, even my they are harvesting maize now, so we are going. And even there are cows guys. So you see cows. Guys, here's maize. You see, guys. So here the maize which we are from harvesting. So there are lots. So we're going to cook them. So if you're a Kenyan, I think we're going to make mutungo today, not githeri. So guys, let's go, guys. It's really heavy, guys. Okay, just a little bit. Don't know how we'll carry them and how they are lots. You see, they are ripe ones. So you should come to our farm, and surely you'll get good maize. So we have one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. We have 7, and they're really hard to carry. So I'm going to carry them like this, like that. Okay, so let's go. So remember, guys, we are in the village. So this is the village life, guys. You see. So even I think some things ate me here, so that's why I have a little bit of things here. So guys, let's go.